Good morning, students. Now we will discuss properties of multiplication. First, product of any two integer is also an integer. If we multiply two integer, then result will be also an integer. 2, product remains the same even if we change the order. It means if we multiply 5 multiply minus 3, or if we multiply minus 3 into 5, we will get the same result. Property 3, product remains the same even if we change the grouping of the integers. If we have three integers, and if we first we multiply these two and then with 3, or if we multiply first second two and then with first one, answer will remain the same. Next, product of any integer and 0 is always 0. If we multiply any integer with 0, answer will be 0. Next, 1 multiplied by any integer is the number itself. If we multiply any integer with 1, answer will be the integer itself. This is called the, so 1 is called the identity element of multiplication. Next is distributive property of the multiplication. Here, if we multiply 2 with minus 3 and then 2 with 5, 2 with minus 3 and then 2 with 5, and then multiply, here multiplication, 2 3 is minus 6, 2 5 is 10, and then different sign of greater number. Or here if we first solve the bracket, here we will get the 5 minus 3 2, sign of the greater number, and 2 2 is 4. We will get the same result. This is called the distributive property. If we are multiplying the integers, then multiply the absolute value of the integers and then count the negative sign. If minus sign is even times, then plus sign will be with the answer, and if minus sign is odd times, then minus sign will be with the answer. Now see worksheet 6, question number 1. Here multiplication is given, minus 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 8 6 is 48, 6 8 1 is 8. Multiplication is given, absolute value, multiplication of the absolute value is given, and we have to put the sign only. Here see, here only one minus is there, one is odd, so minus will be there. See here in C part, 2 minus are there, so 2 is even, so plus sign will be there. Similarly in other also, see here last part, here only one minus is there, so one is odd, so minus will be. Now see question number 2. Here we have to multiply and put the sign also. See 5 6 is 30. First multiply the absolute value only. 5 6 is 30 and there is only one minus, so minus will be there with the answer. See B part, 19 3 is, only multiply the number, 19 3 is 57 and there are 2 minus, 2 is even, so plus will be there. See here 5 into 10 into 1000. First multiply the numbers, answer is 5000, and what will be the sign? There are 2 minus and they are even, 2 is even, so plus sign will be there. Now see question number 3. Here we will use the distributive property in this part. See first part, here this is one term, in multiplication one term will be count, and from minus and plus terms will be separate. From minus, this is second term, so there are two terms, and now we will see in both the terms, is there any number which is common? Yes, 567 is common, so we will take 567 common and then we will start the bracket, and from this 567 will be outside from both the terms. So if we take 567 outside, there will be 1 multiply 1 2 3 4 is 1 2 3 4 minus, and 1 is also there because we have taken 567 common, so 1 into 2 3 4 2 3 4. Now we will subtract this 1000 and then we will multiply this, we will get this 567 triple. See in second part, here first of all see here there are two signs, one minus outside and minus inside, so different sign difference, we will put the sign of plus. Now there are two terms and in both the terms 739 is there, so take 739 outside, and here 1 will be there if we take outside common, 1 into 99 99, and plus here only 1 is there, so plus 1. 99 plus 1, 100, and then we will multiply this. See in the third part. Here, this is plus 10 in this bracket, and all these are positive. All these have same sign. So same sign, sum. So we have added all them, and sign will be of all the numbers. It's minus. Now only two numbers are there, and they have different signs. So different sign, difference, and sign will be of the greater number. Now there are two numbers, we will multiply them, and sign will be of, because they are 2 minus, 2 is even, so sign will be plus. Next, write the integer which when multiplied by minus 1 gives these numbers. See here, if what number is multiplied by minus 1 to get 3? So answer is 3. What number should be multiplied by minus 1 so that we get 19? So number should be minus 19, because minus minus will be plus. So 0, if we multiply, which number we multiply minus 1 to get 0? So it should be 0. Now see next part. Here this is LHS and this is RHS, and here we have to put the sign of greater than or less than. We will solve separately this. Here we will use the BODMAS. First we will solve the bracket 7 plus 6, 13, and 13 into 10, 130. And in the right hand side again we will use the BODMAS. Here we will solve first multiplication, 60 into 10, 60, and then 67, 130, and in 67 130 is greater, so this sign will be used here. Similarly we can do the other second part. Now see next part. What will be the sign of the product? Here number are multiplied, but we have to put the sign. 7 are negative integers, 7 negative integers are there, and 3 positive integers there. We will see only negative integers. Negative integers are 7 times, so minus sign is 7 times, and 7 is odd, so minus sign will be there. Next, 26 negative, 10 positive. We will see only negative sign. It is 26 times. 26 is positive, so the answer will be in plus. 26 is even, so answer will be positive, means plus. Now see this, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, dash 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 means there are also numbers, minus 7, minus 8, minus 10, minus 9, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. So count them, they are 10 in number. So 10 is positive, 10 is even, so plus sign will be there. Similarly in the next part.